integration is just the opposite of what? A differentiation. So for instance, if the expression was like this, then you're taught to differentiate and to integrate and to differentiate to come out like this, not so, to be dropping, then you use not so. Then the same one, we take it back to the way it was. So this is how it goes. So the expression comes from why we use this a x n plus 1 over n plus 1. So it will maintain the coefficient, then the n the power. So for instance, this one is power 1, so it will be 2 will maintain the 2, then x, then there's a power 1 here, not so. So plus 1 also here to be just the same. Look at 38 plus 1, so it will be 2 x2 over 2. So there it comes out, you remain as x squared. No? So for this expression, the first one. The second one, since this one, look at it, it's the same as 2x power 0 also. A number power 0 it is 1 also. So here it will be in this form. It's just the same as here to maintain. Then here to be x. Then the power it is 0, so it will be 0 plus 1 over. Since here is 0 plus 1, also here it is 0 plus 1. Also, which will be 2x power 1 also. Then here to be 1 into that, it will remain like that. Also, then to give you what? 2x. Not so. Then we found that. Then what about for the other 7? So for the other 7, we don't find it. We just say plus c. So like for this one, this is how we go about it. So how I do it is just like this. Since I know, I'll just take this on top. I add since here, look at here, it is what? Power 1. I just add plus 1. So I'll just do this. 2, I keep it, then x. So this one is power 1. So I'll add 1, which will be 2 over. I know here this 2 goes down there, plus. So since this one, it is what? Power 0. X power 0. So it will be x plus 1. So it will be 2x power 1. So there over 1. Then plus c for the other number. Then this will come out as x squared plus 2 plus 2x plus c. This is how it goes. This is how I do it. But this procedure is like this, what I was explaining for each number. But there's the other way of doing it, just like I have shown it. So let's see more examples. This is the opposite. So I was just trying to show you. This is opposite. So for c, we find it normally. But this is how you just leave it. If you're taught to integrate, no need of knowing even the number. But there's a way to find it. But the question is just to find this. This is just how you do it. So let's see other questions. So like for this one, I'm taught to find the integrate this one. These are the questions. So like for this one, we do the same. So you just write this 2x. So this is power what? Power 1. You add 1 to be 2. Then this 2 goes down there. Then plus, you write this expression. Then you add 1. Sorry. Supposed to add a square here. Square, so that if it's a square, plus 1, it will be 3. So even there are 3. It will be 3. Then for this one, since it is power 4, x means power 1, meaning that I'll add another one, which will be 2 over 2. That's how we go about. Then plus c always, if you are given or not given. So this will remain as what? 2 over 3 x3. There's nothing I can do here. Then plus there, it can go to remain as 2x squared plus c. Moving to the other one, you do the same. Start writing 5x. Since here it is power 4, I'll just write 5. Then over here it's supposed to be 5. So the power is just the same, which we would do the over 3. Then I write 3x. Since here it is power 3, I add 1, which will be 4. So there it is 4. Even here it will be 4 plus x. There it is power 1. So I'll add another 1, which will be 2. Then over 2 plus c always. So this will be my x power 5 there. It will cancel out. Plus here there's nothing I can do. Just leave it the way it is. Power 4 plus. Even here same. Even just like the way it is, like this. It's one and the same. I see. That's all. That's how we integrate. Even this one, so I'll just write this over what? 5, not so. So if I want, I can even split it like this, not so. Not so. So since it is power 1, it's one and the same, not so. Here I'll do what? It will be power 2 over here also power 2. Here there's a cross multiplication, it's one and the same, not so. I've just split this number x over 5 is just the same as 1 over 5x, not so. That's what I've done, meaning that 1 over 5 times x, not so. It's one and the same. This is what I've done. So moving to the other one, this one, it will be x, since it is power 1, add another one to be 2 over 2. So this will be there 1, it will be just x squared over 10 plus x squared over 2 plus c, plus c. Don't forget c, please. That's all. This is how you integrate. Then the other one, if they're told to find, for instance, the same one, then they put here 1, 0. It's just one the same. The first thing you do this, then the other one, once you have done that, then this equation you replace with 1, the first one where there's x, you put 1 everywhere. Then once you have done that, okay, no, that will be the next video which I will share.